first ball. Good start. Once again, that's played at point region for a single. So the opening pair from the opening pair from team Bam Blasters, Gopal and Akshay and Rajit from Brookfield Properties, bowling. So news from the center, Bam Blaster won the toss, elected to bat first. First time you're watching that batting first, as Manish well said in the toss time. Pehli bar batting first team, and that's a quick reflexes by the fielder there, but just पहुंच गए क्रीज पर. 5 बॉल 2 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. ये आप देख सकते हैं ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, oh, oh. Yes. The bails were off and the bat was in comfortably. Still referring, is that still decision pending or it's not out? Yeah. 5 बॉल 2 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Oh, that's clever bowling from Rajat. Wow, क्या शुरुआत की है. ब्लॉक होल में गेंद और कोई रन नहीं. ओवर की समाप्ति, 1 ओवर 2 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Bam Blasters, what a start by Brookfield Properties. Down the leg side for wide. That's we have umpire Rohit signaling that wide. We have a new bowler Amol into the bowling attack. Gopal on strike. That's gone miles in the air. Who will take it? Yes, taken. Is that Hanosh? First wicket fall of Bam Blasters. That one, that went very much high in the air. Looking for a big one. That's Hanosh, well taken. Wicket number पहला गिरा है Bam Blasters 3 पर 1. ये आप देख सकते हैं action replay on the big screen. It's sometimes a very tough chance for the catcher, the fielder, to take that catch because it went very high, and good judgment, well taken. So what a fantastic performance by team Leela Legends. They won the previous game by 8 wickets. A comfortable win, comfortable victory. Mari, the player of the match of the previous match. That's good bowling. Okay, we have a new batter. Hanike Oko. She departs. That's a wicket fall. Clean bowled by Amol. Just in, just out. No worries. Next match में करेंगे कुछ कमाल. Participation is most important, but still the smile on the face. 3 for 2 after 1.3. Bam Blasters need to come back with strong intent. And who will be the next dhamakedar batter? Who is that? Pura. Oh, already. Okay, the correction that it was caught behind out by Deepak. Good catch. That's good stop, but they will take a run. Pura off the mark with a single straight away first ball at the square leg. And we have Akshay Kumar. Jo main bolta hu wo hi karta hu. Let's see. Akshay Kumar on strike. See, this is the way of the bowling line in length and bowling in the block hole. It's not giving the room and chance to play for big hittings. And that's what Rajat started. The same strategy from Amol also going on. Pura back on strike. So 6 for 2 after 2 overs. Bam Blaster. Let's see. Comeback करना है. So welcome back once again to the excitement, the energy, the passion of cricket. All the cricketers, Brookfield Premier League 2025, Season 5, Day 2. Left arm over the wicket, single. So they're routing the strike. Pura this time taking a single. Now Akshay Kumar on strike. 7 for 2. A bit of change in bowling variation. Waited for the ball, and this time could be the chance at the. What happened there? What's the umpire's call? He lifted that stump, but is that referred to the third umpire? If the bails are off, then you need to just lift the stumps. Let's see what happened. We'll let the umpires decide this. If the ball was contacted and stumps were picked up, that both the contact needed. Let's see. That's umpire can take the decision. कितने time तक ball and स्टम्प्स को यहाँ पर कांटेक्ट किया है, वो अंपायर करेंगे डिसाइड. लेट्स डिसाइड दी. Nine for three, that's 2.5, and oh, that's indeed last ball of that third over completion. 3 ओवर के बाद 10 पे 3. Bam Blasters need to come back with strong. We have, oh my god, we have Shiv sir already. क्या बात है, शिव कोनार. Shiva Konar with the off the mark with a single. तीन ओवर के बाद 10 पे 3. Bam Blasters, they won the toss, decided to bat, but very good start. This is from Brookfield Properties in the bowling attack. If you can see the bowling, Amol 1 over 4 for 2, then second over Ajay 2 over 6 runs. Amol will continue his bowling spell. 11 पे 3, 3.1. That's gone high in the air. Chance. And taken. Looking to clear the long on region. And good catch. A simple. And that's a wicket number 4 down. Amol departs. It's a Purav departs. Amol is a bowling. 5 of 8 balls. 3.4, 12 पे 4. Bam Blasters. This time trying to stop and the follow through only single. Oh, what happening there? What's happening there? Something drama, something a fumble, but result is only a single. On strike, we have Mr. Shiva Konar. Let's see. Oh, sent back by Rutvik at the non-striker. Good call. Denied for that run. Last ball coming up of the fourth over. 13 for 4. Excitement, electrifying environment here. Every cricketer, passion, power, energy. Each and every ball. Looking to play uppercut. Completely missed it. That's end of the over number 4. It's 13 for 4. Bam Blasters. चार ओवर 13 पे 4 Bam Blasters. Changing bowling attack from Brookfield Properties. We have the new bowling attack now. Bhavya joining the party. That well for dot fall. A bit of change in bowling variation. Straight to the wicket keeper. And that's what a fantastic start. We can Raja 2 over 6, Amol 2 over 7. These two bowlers has restricted very well. And now the bowler number 3 bowling. So you're watching all the spectators watching live Brookfield Premier League 2025 का ये दूसरा दिन and this is the last match of the day coming and it's ongoing. 13 for 4. Bam Blasters won the toss, elected to bat, but the start of Brookfield Properties taking that 4 early wickets, restricting to setting up the big score. 13 on the board. Now Rutvik will take strike. Yet another dot ball. 13 for 4. Oh, this time just going down the leg side. Started really well. Couple of dot balls and now trying to bowl something different but going down the leg side. Coming extra. Score moves on to 14. Tossed up delivery. Oh, that's a good effort by the mid-off fielder to stop that. Excellent work. But there's a fielder there, Rajat, standing at long off. Only a single. Shivan strike. Bit bouncing down the track, and oh, he's got that outside edge and gone. Wicket number 5 down of Bam Blasters. Bhavya also joins the party in the wicket tally. No worries, Shiva sir, next match कुछ कमाल धमाल करेंगे. No issue, no. Let's see what Bam Blasters can do something special. Though they lost 5 wickets, बस हौसला खोया नहीं है. 4.4 15 पे 5 Bam Blasters. Excellent bowling from Bhavya. Only 2 runs conceded. He's got a wicket. इस ओवर के आखिरी गेंद करेंगे. स्ट्राइक पे मयंक. A bit of touch and single taken. 5 ओवर 16 पे 5. Bam Blasters. 2 ओवर अब बाकी है इस पहली पारी. देखना होगा 35, 40, जितना चाहोगे उतना पाओगे, और कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो कुछ और कर बैठोगे. 5 ओवर 16 पे 5. Change in the bowling attack from Brookfield Properties. We have a new bowler, Akash. That's gone. Miles in the air. Let's see who will take it underneath. Oh, land safe. Looking to swing with the bat. Completely missed it. Mayank is trying his level best to connect. देखना होगा इस ओवर में एक बड़ा कनेक्शन करने की कोशिश जरूर करेंगे. 18 पे 5 है स्कोर फिलहाल. Look at the present of mind of the wicket keeper. Big appeal, and what's the umpire's call there? Referring to the third umpire. Referred, but they're referring stumping. You can see on the big screen. An umpire is waiting for the confirmation from the third umpire. That's no ball. You need two stumps behind the stump exactly. That hand should not be ahead of the stumps. So that should be from the behind. You need to take the bails off. And that's the third umpire. His expertise. No ball. And coming up the free hit. That's gone high in the air and taken. But it was a free hit. Nahi. Out nahi hai. पल भर की खुशी, but it was that free hit ball. 1 run, 20 for 5. Swing and a miss. Rutvik trying for a big hit. Played across the line to play that shot. 20 पे 5. Dancing down the track, but he's got that outside edge, and keeper makes no mistake. एक और विकेट. अजब गजब क्रिकेट. ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज ने कमाल कर दिया, धमाल कर दिया. 6 विकेट लेके बैम ब्लास्टर्स को बेहाल कर दिया है. 20 पे 6. Deepak is having a good job. He's having catch practices behind the stumps. 5.5. 20 पे 6. Bam Blasters. Still the match is not over. You can set up a big target, at least 35. You can add 14-15 runs in the last over. If you have efficient, effective bowling, you can defend that score. It's just a matter of defending and good line and length. Let's see. Ankit, the new batter, coming up. One more wicket is that. Oh my God, what is this happening here? Akash. Back-to-back wickets. 20 पे 7. That's good catch again by Kailesh Chandra there. 6 ओवर के बाद 20 पे 7. Coming up the last over of the first innings. Brookfield Premier League 2025, Season 5, Day 2. Rashika, her 14 number jersey, into the attack. Darshan and Mayank. That's a backup fielder. This is a good presence of mind. Coming back for 2 and easy work for once again is that Deepak, wicket keeper. दीपक ने दीप जलाए हैं. दीपक ने स्टंप्स के दीप जलाए हैं. दीपक, क्या बात है. One more wicket fall. Bam Blasters. 21 for 8. Yes, दीपक, आपने तो कमाल कर दिया है. Deepak has taken 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 catch. 1 run out. क्या बात है. दर्शन, रोहन, अब इनके ऊपर जिम्मेदारी है. 5 गेंद. क्या 2 बड़े हिट्स. मारने कोशिश. मौका है in this over. Rashika strikes very first ball. They got the wicket in a run out, and this time Played to the fielder at mid wicket for a single. 22 पे 8, 4 गेंद बचे हैं. दर्शन पहली गेंद का सामना करेंगे. राशिका ready to bowl. That's play to the cover region. A bit of fumble there and only a single. Result is only 1. 23 पे 8. रन्स आ रहे हैं, रन्स आ रहे हैं. एक एक रन बहुत ही कीमती होता है क्रिकेट में. That's high in the air. One bounce straight to the fielder. Only settled for single. This is class excellency bowling performance from Brookfield Properties. Tossed up delivery. He's not got the proper elevation. And only a single. Coming up the last ball. तो क्या चाहिए दर्शकों? Last ball. We want sixer. 2 runs. 2 runs. चलो आ गए, 1 रन आ गए. Okay, so dugout Bam Blaster. We want sixer. And that will count. बराबर बोला सर. शिवा सर only 2 runs. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. So that's end of the innings. Very well played. Can we have a big round of applause for both the teams? Bam Blaster and Brookfield Properties. Very well played. सात ओवर के बाद 28 पे 8 बैम ब्लास्टर्स. हम देखेंगे स्कोर कार्ड. बैटिंग एंड बॉलिंग ब्रॉडकास्ट आर वेरी स्मार्ट. दे विल डिस्प्ले ऑन द स्क्रीन. Here we go. Yes, thank you very much. 31052 25042. Extras of 4. 7 was 28 for 8. Target of 29. Can you move on to the bowling scorecard? That's fine. Thank you very much. Bam Blaster initially won the toss, decided to bat first. They sent Brookfield Properties to bowl. And this is absolutely good bowling performance from Brookfield Properties. We can see the bowling figures of the Brookfield Properties on the big screen. Deepak is having a good time behind the stumps. Yes, here we go. 3 wickets for Amol, 1 for Bhavya, 2 for Akash. 3 हीरो हो गए हैं मैच के. And look at the wicket fall. 2 for 1, 3 for 2, 8 for 3, 12 for 4, 21 for 8 and 28 at the end. 29 to win. We'll take a short break and come back. Stay tuned to watch Brookfield Premier League 2025. Day 2 is on. Jordar. ओके, जल्द से जल्द शुरुआत करेंगे. बैट्समैन चले जाइए जल्दी. देखना होगा 29 का यहाँ पर लक्ष्य मिला है. बैट्समैन चलिए. टारगेट है वेरी लेस, but strategy is on. Let's see if they need a additional net run rate on the board. They can complete this target in as quick as they can. We have the umpires. Left side, we have Siddesh Magar, and just we had Mr. Shiva sir. Okay, thank you very much, Deva sir. Okay, here we go. Fielders are ready. Batsmen are ready. Are you ready? Let's game on. Ankit to Amol. Good presence of mind going down the leg side. First ball coming extra. White ball. This time a single. So Amol off the mark, and now it's time for Ankur to swing the bat. Good bowling, but very well played. Single taken. Off the mark, both the batters. So no pressure on Amol and Ankur. Sensible batting, good start. $26 to get from 39. Down the leg side for wide. Umpire Mr. Siddesh there. In the air. Oh, is that taken? Oh, ho, संभाल के लपक लिया है. क्या बात है. This is the best catch of the match, of the tournament, we can say. Wow. Is that umpires can check it? He went. Let's see what's the umpire's call. Oh, balance है. Fit है boss, fit है boss. क्या बात है. Well, balance himself. That's very important. He's okay, he's fine. They're checking. It's out a note because declared zone out. Just went past that advertisement banner. बट एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. व्हाट एन एफर्ट. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए दोस्तों. क्या बात है. जॉन्टी रॉड्स. अब देख जॉन्टी रॉड्स अगर देखेंगे इस तो जरूर बोलेंगे यस. That's what the fielding. Oh.
I could see that you're very obsessed with Jonty Rods, huh? Since yesterday.
One of the legends of the fielding.
He's the legend
of the South African cricket.
He's a legend of legends, bro.
Legends of legends. Yeah, absolutely, bro. Oh, यहाँ पर 2 रन लेंगे. Five balls, 7 for no loss, 22 to get from 37. Target is very easy, but the task is not that easy. Excellent. Manish, your favorite shot, late cut.
And in Gen Z's slang, it's a slice.
Slice cut.
yeah, slice cut.
एक ओवर के बाद 7 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. 22 रन की दरकार है. देखना होगा किसकी सरकार है. खटैक. Oh, that's taken, gone. सेफ पेयर ऑफ हैंड्स, पॉइंट फील्डर के हाथ में चिपक गई गेंद। इस बार मिला है सक्सेस, विकेट। गुड कैच टेकन बाय अक्षय। सीधे साधे अक्षय नहीं, एनर्जेटिक अक्षय है वो। क्या बात है। गुड कैच टेकन दैट पॉइंट। फर्स्ट विकेट फॉल ऑफ ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज। And the new batter joins the party, Sridhar. Looking confident, passionate to swing the bat. Let's see. First ball from Rohan to Sridhar. Oh yes. Straight to the follow through bowler Rohan. Swing, trying to swing that onside. Completely missed it. Oh, excellent bowling. Rohan at his best. Once again, oh. Trying to connect, Sridhar, trying to connect. Yes, you will get a success. Come on. Yes, she does. But what happened there? जाना पड़ेगा. Out हो गए. No worries. Very well played. Well played, Sridhar, well played. Still the smile on the face is on, and that's the strategy what we want. It's very like हिम्मत होती है वो एक फील्ड पे जाने की और खेलने की. क्या बात है. Second wicket fall of Brookfield Properties. 7 for 2 after 2 overs. 30 balls and 22 runs. Not a big task, but अभी टफ टास्क हो गया है. Couple of good overs from Bam Blasters can get the match, and one big over only for Brookfield Properties. Match उनकी झोली में. सेंसिबल बैटिंग करेंगे, एक एक रन लेंगे, तिनका जोड़े जा, जो भी मिला उसे उड़े जा, जिंदगी चली जाए किसी के वास्ते, हम तो चले बस क्रिकेट के रास्ते. यही एक एक तिनका रन करके इस पारी को बढ़ा रहे आगे ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज. हनोश लुकिंग वेरी कॉन्फिडेंस. इनकी स्टांस देख के मुझे एडम गिलक्रिस्ट की याद दिला दी है. वन ऑफ द फैंटास्टिक फॉर्मर ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेटर. मैथ्यू हेडिंग के साथ ओपनिंग के लिए आते थे, वैसा ही कुछ स्टांस लग रहा है. और देखना होगा आज. देखिए कंफर्टेबल यहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट किया और एक रन चुरा लिया है. Directly on the stumps. Wow, good throw. Hanosh off the mark with a single. 20 to get from 27 balls. Change in the field settings. Bam Blasters. शिवा सर बोलेंगे अब विकेट मिलेगा या नहीं, देखना होगा. That's being smashed at leg side for a single. दस पे 2 है स्कोर. दमदार यहाँ पर बॉलिंग बैटिंग प्रदर्शन देखने मिला है आज. सारे मैचेस अच्छे से रक्षात्मक रूप से खेला है, उसको कोई रन नहीं. So very good bowling from शिवा सर. क्या बात है, मात्र 3 रन दिए हैं. Oh, no man's land. And that's end of the over. So can we have a big round of applause for Shiva sir? क्या बात है, 3 रन दिए हैं. Good bowling, good bowling. 3 ओवर के बाद 10 पे 2 और 24 गेंदों में चाहिए 19 रन. 3 was gone 10 for 2. 19 to get from 24 balls. So that's we're talking about. Couple of good overs if they can defend. Pressure आ जाएगा Brookfield Properties पे. लेकिन हानोश and Amol, let's see. Let's see what the strategy. शिवा सर वापस आएंगे बॉलिंग पे या नहीं? Is that Rohan coming for the next over? Yes. Very good over previous over. Maiden over, only that's 1 wicket. Power play, batting power play, only 1 fielder allowed at the boundary line. Yes, the discussions are on. बातचीत हो रही है कि कॉर्बो लार्बो जीत बो ये मंत्र होगा. Okay, well. That 19 from 24. This over, they will try to defend a bit of attacking fielding from BAM Blasters. They're trying to pressure. Oh, ये क्या हो गया? क्या छूटा, सपना टूटा, सारे प्लेयर्स का दिल टूटा. This could have been taken that. Oh my God. Rohan missed it. Opportunity, golden opportunity that was. इस बार डाउन द ट्रैक खेल दिया है, जोरदार प्रहार. देखना होगा कितने रन के लिए जाएंगे. दूसरे रन के लिए दौड़ रहे हैं, दौड़ लगाई है, डायरेक्ट हिट, लेकिन इनके पैरों में बुलेट एक्सप्रेस का घेर है. 2 रन दौड़ लिए है. 17 रन की दरकार है, 22 गेंद है बाकी. Short pitch ball that's being played at square leg. Is that again a couple of runs? Single, only single. 13 पे 2. Hanush. And now Rohan will be coming right arm round the wicket for Hanush for the left hander. Looking to connect, swing and a miss. Good bowling, Rohan. स्कोर भले कम है लेकिन हौसला कम नहीं है. इस बार जोरदार प्रहार रोकने की कोशिश. गुड एफर्ट. एंड व्हाट्स हैपेंड देयर विद द नो फील्डर. ओह वाह, देयर वाज अ नो फील्डर. व्हाई? 4 रन
शॉट. क्या शॉट मारा है मेरे भाई.
तोड़ दिया है, फोड़ दिया है. 4 रन के लिए जोड़ दिया है मनीष. 4 रन के लिए 12 रन की दरकार है. 19 गेंद है बच्चे. दमदार, शानदार, धमाकेदार 4. इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद. मौका है, 1 बाउंस स्ट्रेट टू द फील्डर एट लॉन्ग ऑन. गोपाल ने रोक दिया है. ओवर की समाप्ति. So bit of sigh of relief for Brookfield Properties. They got 8 runs in that previous over. 4 ओवर के बाद 18 पे 2 और 18 गेंदों में 11 रन की दरकार है. 11 runs, 18 balls. Is that Shiva sir once again will try to defend? शिवा सर आपके हाथ में मैच है, कम ऑन लेट्स सी। और ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज कुछ इस ओवर में कंप्लीट करेंगे, कोशिश देखना होगा। दोनों टीम लग रही है भारी। Oh, what a shout out! What a shout out! Come on, yes, yes. Come on, boys, you can do it. That's dot ball from Shiva. 3 रन मात्र दिए हैं पहले ओवर में। Oh, just going down the leg side. Freeing his arms, Mr. Siddesh, umpire. 10 रन 17 गेंद। This is very easy task for Brookfield Properties. एक एक रन यहां पर बटोर के लीड जनरेशन करके सेल्स को क्लोज करेंगे आज ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज। Nine to get from 16. Oh, that's gone high in the air. कहां पे भेज दिया है? क्या बात है, 6 रन के लिए। चक दे फटे 90 गिल्ली, बॉल को भेज दिया सीधा दिल्ली। खटैक। इसी की यहां पे दरकार थी और ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज अनमोल बन गए हैं रतन। वन मोर बिग हिट एंड दैट्स इट। टच किया यहां पर सीधे पॉइंट फील्डर के पास, कोई रन नहीं, पर अमोल ने काम कर दिया है, रिलीज्ड द प्रेशर। अब मात्र 3 रन की दरकार, अब ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज की सरकार। शिवा सर स्टिल द एफर्ट इज ऑन। बैक टू बैक डॉट बॉल्स आफ्टर ही गॉट 6 हिट फ्रॉम अमोल। गुड कम बैक, गुड कम बैक, क्या बात है सर। गुड बॉलिंग। 2 ओवर 11 रन उन्होंने दिए हैं और 5 ओवर 26 पे 2। जस्ट अ 1 बिग हिट एंड दैट्स इट कमिंग नेक्स्ट ओवर। 3 runs needed from 12 balls. Now just 2 to get. हानुश on strike. क्या ये विनिंग शॉट होगा दोस्तों? Oh, good bowling, good bowling. Just 2 to get. हानुश और अमोल इन्होंने मैच को संभाला है. That's gone down the leg side for wide. So only 1 run. Scores a level. Brookfield Properties, are you ready to roll? And with that, the winner, Brookfield Properties. Can we have a make some noise for Brookfield Properties?
Good one, good one.
So beautiful, so elegant, so धमाकेदार, just looking like a wow.
क्या बात है. Check, yeah.